Take a deep breath and just allow yourself to completely let go of everything. Just for a moment, let go of absolutely everything. And relax, rest in this emptiness, completely free. Life is yours for the making. You are absolutely 100% in control of how you experience life, no matter what might be happening right now, no matter how stressed life may seem. It is your choice to experience it as you want to experience it. So what are you focusing on? Faith that magic is present in your life and that blessings are about to come, or doubt, uncertainty, and fear of what might happen? It all comes down to this. Do you choose faith or fear? You are in control. Make the decision to live a life full of magic, to live a life full of wonder and blessings. Absolutely nothing is stopping you. No one is stopping you to live a life full of joy. The only thing that can stop you is yourself. So get out of your own way. Get out of your own way and open up. Have faith that beautiful things are about to come in your path, and nothing can stop that. Allow magic to happen by believing in it. The choice is yours. Suffering or joy, abundance, freedom, love, bliss. Make a decision. Make a decision that fears, doubts are not gonna control you anymore. They are no longer dominating the life you live. It is time to say no and to say yes to magic. Rest in faith, in knowingness that the unexpected is about to happen. Expect the unexpected. Get out of your own way. Circumstances do no longer affect you. What other people say about you, think about you, no longer affects you. You are in control of your inner world. Feel the joy. Feel the joy for existence. Open your heart to blessings, to the blessings of life. Surrender into faith. Be the creator of your life. From now on, be the creator of your life. You always already have been, but now, be a conscious one. Choose what to create. Choose what to feel, what to experience. You are not here to suffer. You are not here to live in pain. You are here to make the best of it. Every step, enjoy it. Have faith, trust, surrender. That beautiful things are going to happen for you. Be grateful for the opportunities. Be grateful for the pain you experienced. So that the blessings can be even sweeter, even better. Choose faith. Expect the unexpected. Expect blessings. Expect magic. And feel the love in your heart. The love of life. The love of God. Become it. Become a magnet for blessings. No matter what happens, life is gonna be so much better when you choose to live in faith. Surrender. Surrender yourself completely. And feel the bliss. Breathe. Breathe life into your heart. Breathe magic into your life. Stop wasting your life by focusing on what not feels good for you, by focusing on the negative. You know deep down that it isn't good what you're doing. It is not the best way. The best way is to live in faith, to live in happiness no matter what happens.